Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mary. Today's topic is equations of straight lines. Our first example is finding the midpoint of a given line segment. Let's first have line segment AB. The first thing to do is to divide the line segment into two equal parts. This is line AB. As you can see, there are two squares, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If the length is 4 divided into 2, so we have there two squares, and that will be the midpoint. X equals 5 and y equals 3. Therefore, line AB has midpoint 5, 3. Let's try another line. Line CD. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So here is our midpoint. So x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 3. Therefore, line CD has midpoint negative 2, negative 3. Let's try another line segment, line EF. So this is a slant line. So as you can see, here is the midpoint. And x is 3.5, y equals negative 3. Therefore, line EF has midpoint 3.5, negative 3. And our last line is line GH. And this is the midpoint, wherein x is 0 and y is 3.5. Therefore, line GH has midpoint 0, 3.5. Let's try another example. Work out the gradient and y-intercept for line A. Line A is the red line. So to get the gradient of line A, let's draw a triangle. As you can see, the height is 3 and the base is 3. Gradient equals height divided by base. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. The y-intercept of line A is the point where line A crosses the y-axis, and that is 0. Therefore, y-intercept of line A is 0. Let's answer question B. Use this to write the equation of line A, wherein the coefficient of x is the gradient and the constant is the y-intercept. So y equals gradient 1, x, plus y-intercept 0. Simplifying the equation of line A is y equals x. Let's have question C. What are the equations of lines B and C? Let's first have line B. So line B is the blue line. The height is 3 and the base is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And for the line intercept, where the blue line crosses the y-axis, and that is at point 2. Therefore, line B has an equation y equals 3 over 3, x plus 2. 3 over 3 is 1. The equation of line B is y equals x plus 2. How about line C? So line C, again, draw a triangle. As you can see, the height is 3, the base is 3, therefore the gradient is 1. And the y-intercept is where the green line crosses the y-axis, which is at -4. Therefore, the equation of line C is y equals x minus 4. Let's try another problem. Oh, match each line to an equation. So let's first have the blue line. Line A. Draw a triangle. So the height is 2, the base is 1, 2 divided by 1 is 2. Therefore, the gradient of line A is 2. The y-intercept of line A is 4. This is the point where the blue line crosses the y-axis. Therefore, the equation of line A is y equals 2x plus 4. And for B, applying the same procedure, same process, get the gradient, get the y-intercept. B has an equation of y equals 3x. Line C has equation y equals 2x minus 1. And line D has equation y equals x. Let's move on to the second question. Which lines pass through the origin? As you can see, the blue line passes through the origin as well as the red line. Therefore, lines B and D pass through the origin. Question C. Which line is the steepest? Comparing these lines, B is the steepest line. Last question. Write the equations of the two lines that are parallel. As you can see, line A is parallel to line C. Solving it graphically. But if there are no graphs, simply look at the coefficient of x of line C and the coefficient of x of line A. As you can see, this is 2 and that is 2. If the gradients are equal, if the coefficients of x are equal, then the lines are parallel. Remember that? Another problem. Jane carries out a science experiment. She puts different voltages across a wire and measures the current. Here are her results. Voltage 2, current 1. Voltage 4, current 2. Voltage 6, current 3. Plot the points with voltage on the horizontal axis and current on the vertical axis and join the points with a straight line. So that is voltage 2 and current 1. So voltage 2, current 1, we have here. Voltage 4, current 2. Voltage 6, current 3. And then join the points with a straight line. Second question. Use your graph to work out the current when the voltage is 5. So looking at the x-axis, that is 5. Locate the line. Oh, and it stops at point 2.5 in the y-axis. Therefore, the current is 2.5. Write down the equation of the line. So again, draw a triangle. By the way, in drawing a triangle, you can draw a triangle here, you can draw a triangle there, but let us have this triangle. So this triangle, it's 1, and this is 2. The gradient is equal to 1/2. And the y-intercept is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line is y equals 1 half x or z equals 1 half b. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and you may request any topic in maths for me to create a video for you. Okay, this is Teacher Mary saying bye. Keep safe, everyone.